Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 alternator failing issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An alternator failing in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as warning lights appearing on the dashboard, dim or flickering lights, electrical accessories malfunctioning, repeated battery drain, or the vehicle stalling while driving. Verified owner reports and service information show that alternator-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine configuration, electrical load, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves internal alternator wear. Over time, internal components such as bearings, voltage regulators, or diodes can degrade, reducing the alternator's ability to generate and regulate electrical power properly. Another confirmed cause relates to drive belt issues. A loose, worn, or slipping serpentine belt can prevent the alternator from spinning at the correct speed, leading to undercharging or intermittent charging problems. Electrical connection and wiring issues are also documented factors. Corroded battery terminals, damaged alternator wiring, or poor grounding can interfere with charging performance and may mimic alternator failure symptoms. Battery-related problems have also been reported as contributing factors. A failing or shorted battery can place excessive load on the alternator, accelerating wear and reducing charging efficiency, even if the alternator itself is still partially functional. Cooling and heat-related stress is another verified consideration. Alternators exposed to high engine bay temperatures or heavy electrical demand may experience premature wear, especially in vehicles with frequent towing or accessory use. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include voltage spikes, aftermarket electrical modifications, or software-related charging control behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing alternator output, inspecting drive belt condition and tension, checking battery health, cleaning or repairing electrical connections, and replacing the alternator when failure is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 alternator failures are resolved through alternator replacement and battery inspection rather than extensive electrical system repair. However, experiences vary by model year, engine type, and electrical load. In conclusion, Ford F-150 alternator failing issues are typically linked to internal alternator wear, belt-related problems, electrical connection faults, or excessive electrical demand. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.